Hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you how to fill out your profile in HuntMe web platform. Okay. So when you open the site, you will have this window, and on the left bottom corner here, you will see a button of your profile. You click on this, and you'll have three options: your profile, setting, and logout. Don't choose logout. All right. Stay on site and go to your profile. So when you open your profile information here, as you can see here, it's really empty for now. We need to fill up this form. Why is it important? Because there is an artificial intelligence in our web platform. So how does it work? When a company opens a vacancy, right? And when they want to post a job, when they post a job vacancy in our platform, the artificial intelligence will look every potential specialist for that vacancy, right? And when it is doing this, it will look for your profile information. And if you fill out your profile information really correct, really on a perfect level, the artificial intelligence will recommend your application to all the job vacancies. You know what I'm saying? So this will help you to find a job faster. All right. So this is very important to fill up your profile information here. All right. First thing is here, your personal information. Personal information. What is that? Your picture, right? Your name, your specialist, and then your status, right? You click on the pencil button here. You change your photo, or if you don't have it yet, you upload your file, your photo here. Okay. And then type in your name, your first and last name, and your location, your email address, your phone number, and really important thing, your Telegram username. You must put your Telegram username here because uh, when there is a job vacancy which is really suitable for you, you apply to that, but the HR manager, the company's HR manager is not going to have a chance to contact you because they don't have your Telegram username, your phone number, your email address, and your Telegram username must be put there. Okay. All right. Save the changes. If you have changed something, you just save the changes. Okay. The next thing is professional information. As you see here, it's empty in my profile because I didn't fill it up yet. Just to show you how to do that. Okay. You go here and choose your profession, your dispatcher, update, Amazon specialist, anything. Okay. I choose update specialist. All right. And profile overview. You must say something here. Okay. Say something about your skills, about your experience. Okay. Um, you must put something here if you want to get a job. All right. Let's see what we have here. You put you put some words here, detail-oriented update department specialist with over 2 years of experience ensuring accurate and timely processing of critical data and system updates and so on. Okay, you must say something about yourself in this section here. Industry skills. You must put some industry skills, at least two or three, okay? You must do this. Make a research. Go to Google, go to ChatGPT or Google Gemini, wherever you find information. Just put something here because, again, first, artificial intelligence and the company HR specialist will look at your professional information. If it's empty, they are not going to hire you because they don't need a person who does work on himself or on herself. Okay. You must succeed. Okay. To succeed, you need to work on yourself and you need to show that you can work on yourself. All right. Okay, so industry skills. What industry skills you can put? For example, data accuracy and quality control. As an updater, you must know how to control the quality of the service of the company. All right, you type in your industry skill and click add button, and you want to add something more, right? Like this. And so on. You must put something here, okay? You don't have to leave it empty. Soft skills. All right, go to soft skills and then put some soft skills here. It's very simple. You just type in a skill and then click add button. Okay. All right. The next one, the languages. Take off this one. This was the sample. Okay. Don't pay attention to that. For example, Uzbek, Russian, put Russian because you need Russian. Some people say, why do we need Russian in American logistics sphere? But we do need. We do need. Why? Because they may be drivers from Kyrgyzstan, from Kazakhstan, right? You talk to them in Russian. English is a bit difficult for the drivers from Central Asia, or if there's a driver who's Russian, okay, you must know Russian. Also, people who speaks many languages, they have better how to say IQ, for example, right? So you must know Russian as well. Okay, save, and as you can see here, my professional information section is much more beautiful now, right? Go to the next one. Okay, about me video. You must record a video for 10 or 15 minutes, maybe 5, doesn't matter. You need to speak in English and say something about yourself, about your skills, abilities, experiences, okay? You need to say something to the camera, record it, and then upload it here like this. Because when you apply to a position, uh, companies will see that video, will watch that video, and you will have better chances to get the job faster, okay? And to get better jobs, better positions. All right. All right. So expectations. What is this? Expectations is your salary, how much salary you are expecting from the company. You can choose discuss it during the interview, or up to 500, or up to 500 to 1000, right? It's up to you. It's up to your experience. Preferred shift, any main night. You need to choose one of them. How much experience do you have? More than 2 years, and save it. Okay. Work experience. The next one is the work experience. You must put work experience if you have it. If you don't have it, that's still okay. But if you have it, you must put it. Select the position, right? Go to the company name, for example. What else? Location, Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Start date. Let's say, I don't know. You choose the date from here, all right, and then end date when was you were fired from from that company, and then achievements and responsibilities. Again, you must put something here. Every time you work for someone, for a company, try to obtain something from there, not only money but experience. Okay, you learn something everywhere, wherever you go to work. What company is it? Doesn't matter, you must get something. Okay, you must get experience from them. All right, and you must put something here if you want to get higher results, I mean better jobs. Okay, if you want to get the job faster. All right, you put something here, click the add button, and then save it. All right. Okay, I need to fill up the form. All right, I will do it. Let's say that was 2020. Let's say April, right? Start date. End date was 2021 in September. And click on save. All right, we have one work experience, I mean, one company. If you want to add more, just click on plus button, fill out the form, and then click the save, and so on. Okay, you need to put work experience if you have it. All right, and then education. It's very simple. You go to a plus button and put your education here, fill out the form, and courses taken. If you have taken any courses related to the logistics, it doesn't matter related or not related to logistics, you need to put it here. Okay, it will help you to get the job faster. All right, so this was it. This was how to fill out your profile. You must to complete your profile section in order to get the job faster, okay, in our platform. See you everyone. Thank you for watching, and I wish you to get the job faster.